Hello everyone, praise be to God. The word of the Lord to you today is that choose happiness. In the Old Testament, God gave the people of Israel a choice to choose between life and death. And when they chose life and prosperity, blessings followed them. But when they chose death and destruction, curses followed them. We all have a choice every day. We can either choose life or death. We can choose to be happy or sad. When we choose happiness, we choose laughter, we choose faith, we choose peace. When we choose unhappiness or sadness, we choose worry, we choose anxiety, we choose unforgiveness. The Bible says that the thief comes to steal, kill, and destroy. If we choose unhappiness or sadness, we give room to the devil. But if we decide to be happy in the midst of our troubles, then there is no room for him. Faith is activated instead. In the book of Acts chapter 12, Peter, the apostle of Jesus Christ, was arrested and put in prison. Since he had escaped from prison before, this time Herod made sure that the prison was well guarded to prevent him from escaping again. Verse 6 says that the night before Herod was to bring him to trial, Peter was sleeping between two soldiers bound with two chains, and sentries stood guard at the entrance. So Peter chose to trust God in the midst of his troubles. The Bible says that we should walk by faith and not by sight. In verse 7 to 11, the angel of the Lord helped Peter to escape from prison. Just like Peter, we often find ourselves in prisons that we can't get out of. But it's important to remember that with God, all things are possible. So if you're going through something right now, I pray that the Lord will help you just like he helped Peter escape from jail.